Hi students, let's look at these essential steps here which requires us to use. It's just a framework for you to use in order to solve problems involving maximum and minimum values in real life example, okay? So let's go through the first one. The first one is to identify the two variables. This may seem like very trivial, but what actually goes on is, typically in the question, you have two variables. It could be the length or breadth of a rectangle. It could be a radius or the circumference. So it could be anything, but generally try and identify two. If it's not directly two, it will be two entities related by using one variable. Okay, so just remember that there are usually two variables at play. Then after which we need to identify the fixed constant. Fixed constant usually is a condition or a constant. It could be a fixed volume, it could be a fixed parameter, and so on. This is step number 2. It's very important. Now, the reason why you need to be able to identify this condition is because you could equate the two variables together. So step 3 is, once you get this fixed volume, you could equate them by using Pythagoras theorem, volume or sphere or cylinder, and so on. Okay, there are many things, so just remember that. Now, when you equate them, the thing that you need to do is to find an equation of the variable v that needs to be maximized or minimized. Okay, now usually this variable v will come in two variables, which is x and y. Okay, and what we need to do is actually to change this variable to one variable. Okay, we basically use the equation here to change it to one. So from initially it will be two variable here. Okay, meaning x and y, and you use equation 3 to change it to one variable. Now this is a very important point here. So once you do that, really, I think 5 and 6 is what we've done previously, which means you just dy dx it or differentiate with respect to the variable and just find the nature. Okay, so just bear in mind these essential steps. I know that it sounds a bit vague, but if once we apply these steps to a question, I will show you it will be as clear as day. But any question, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.